Jah. Bless the people, yeah man. Heart of a lion. No fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll, echo through me soul. Me stand against Babylon wall, still me not fall. Them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Morning sun. Me hear the people call for change, voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again, wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum, Jah kingdom come. Lion heartbeat, strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heartbeat, never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place, still me see Jah face. No weapon formed against me stand, protected by Jah hand. Me hold my faith when night fall, hear Jah call. Me feel the beat within the ground, ancient holy sound. It guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free. Lion heart no bend no break. Love away, courage come from deep inside. Truth can't hide. When the world turn cold and rough, Jah love enough. Lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heart beat, never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Lion heart beat till the end. Love me defend. Oh, me soul roar in Zion song, forever strong.
Na ganja is the natural medicine, yeah man. From the hilltop me chant, me no want, me no flan. Me sing for the people, oh, let the whole world know. Freedom echo wide, Jah by my side. Me voice rise from the dust, full of trust. Me no bow to oppression and me stand. Me sing for justice true, me sing for you. Every word me chant break ignorance plant. Me feel the chain still tight, but me bring light. Me rhythm break the wall, free them all. Babylon no like me song, but me strong. Voice of freedom loud, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live. freedom strong. Sing all night long till the pain fade away. New day, me walk through field of fire. Still me higher, me sing for the lost and weak. Truth me speak, every note me send above, filled with love. Rasta guide me way, night and day. Me no silence my sound till peace found. Me chant from street to stage, across every age. Me carry the flame so bright through the night. Voice of freedom rise again. Heal the pain. Me sing for the voiceless still. Jah will me call the youth for unite. Hold the light. Voice of freedom cry, 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 cry. Lift it to the sky. Every soul deserve to live. So me give. Voice of freedom strong, 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 strong. Sing all night long till the pain fade away. New day. So when me gone from earth, remember the word. Voice of freedom remain. Through joy and pain. Zion, reggae, yeah, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. Before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below. Truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity, blind for Jah reality. But the roots know where them stand, deep inside Jah hand. Me feel the pulse under the clay. Tell me everything okay. Nature talk me overstand. Jah control the land. Me see the city light so bright, but none compared to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can't hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade. Rasta made. Roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil come strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant of psalm for healing sound. Bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth not decay. Me see the vine grow back again. Wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Deep roots hold
Roots of the dawn, rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. When the night come creep again, me call Jah name. Oh, roots of the dawn, forever grow. Me so know.
Oh yeah. Because meditation, yeah man. High up on the mountain peak, hear the voice of Zion speak. Echo strong, majestic sound, song of freedom all around. Every stone and every tree sing of Jah eternity. Clouds them part, horizon clear, mountain song is what we hear. Pilgrim climb with heavy load, find the mountain, find the road. Hear the chorus pure and wide, song of Zion be the guide. Babylon nice fade away, mountain sing a brighter day. Every echo loud and long, carry forth the holy song. Eagle fly across the sky, mountain lift the spirit high. Waterfall in silver stream, mountain echo Jah Jah dream. Children dance and elder pray, song of mountain never stray. Every beat of drum combine, mountain chant a word divine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Snow upon the highest crest, mountain still a place of rest. Flame of sunrise kiss the stone, mountain never stand alone. Generations gather near, song of mountain never clear. Faith unbroken, sound so pure, mountain music shall endure. When the valley full of cries, mountain lift them to the skies. No corruption, no disguise, song of truth before the eyes. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall, mountain sing for one and all. Jah creation, strong and wide, song of mountain still provide. Sing, sing, mountain high, lift the chanting to the sky. Rise, rise, holy tone, mountain song forever known. Song of mountain, bold and strong, carry the people all along. Never ending, never cease, song of mountain bring the peace. Forever echo far and near, song of Zion we all hear. Forever echo far and near, song of Zion we all hear. Yeah. Yeah. It's medicine, yeah, man. Me feel the wind upon my face. Jah love fill every space. The sunrise bright, the sky so clear. Every heart can feel him near. Me see the people wake and smile. Walk the righteous, walk the mile. Them bring the joy, them bring the light. Shine for every heart tonight. Me chant for love, me chant for peace. Carry blessing, never cease. Every hand join, every voice sing. Roots vibration, everlasting. Me hear the drums, me hear the bass. Rhythm move the whole place. Me plant the seed, me water deep. Your protection always keep. From the city to the hill so high, your light shine from the sky. Me chant for unity, me chant for right. Guide the youth through the night, yeah. Your vibration, lift the soul. Bring the people to the goal. One heart, one love, one song. Your power ever strong. Spread the light, spread the peace. Make the blessings never cease. Me see the elders teach the youth. Share the story, share the truth. Every corner, every street. Righteous rhythm never be. Me chant for you, me chant for right. Lift the people through the night. Children laugh, the sun shine bright. Blessings flow through the light. Every heartbeat like the drum. Unity for all become. Me see the world rise as one. Jah work for all is done. Me walk the path, me see the way. Jah love guide every day. No chain can hold, no fear can bind. Blessings free for all mankind. Yeah, Jah vibration, lift the soul. Bring the people to the goal. One heart, one love, one song. Jah power ever strong. Spread the light, spread the peace. Make the blessings never cease. So when the night seems dark and long, remember joy in the song. One love, one heart, one flame. Together we rise, never the same.
Wanna dang 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 dang. Oh yeah yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Rasta man is so high man. Yeah. Rasta man is so high man. Me sit beside the flowing stream. Just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song. Me spirit strong. Every drop a healing prayer. Love fill the air. Me close me eye, me soul align. Flow in Zion time. Me walk long road of faith and fight. Search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people's face. Them searching grace, yet the river wash them pain. Life again. Me see the children play by shore. Laugh forevermore. Them no know the chains before. Them born for soar. The river carry story deep. Secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name. Eternal flame. River of Zion flow through me soul. Make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light. Wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong. Right all wrong. Flow through the land of man. Part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream. Feel Jah redeem. Water cold but fire burn. Truth return. Me see reflection, see me pass. Faith at last. Jah mercy deep like ocean wide. Love inside. Me follow river through the plain. Through joy and pain. It led me home to holy place. Full of grace. The fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king. All life flow one way same. Jah name. drought, no storm. River keep me warm. From the mountain to the sea, Jah carry me. When me weak, me call this song. It make me strong. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong. Flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. River flow, don't ever end me, eternal friend. Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion run forevermore, me heart secure. River of Zion. River of Zion. Na 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 Jah. Bless the world, yeah man. Hey, hey, me open me eye pon golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft, lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight, but love bring light. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain, still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke, but the sun still rise again, wash away this stain. Me keep me heart clean, my mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. The path rough but still me trod, guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Even when the world feel cold, my soul stay bold. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift my soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Me see the youth them searching wide. Truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan. Them ready to stand. Me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made. Each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun we shine. Me chant upon the mountain high, lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away, light up the day. Me feel Jah glory deep within, burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake, a new dawn we make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. When Babylon try
Me rise, me create. The spirit of the sun never fade. It like the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift my soul, me heart, me hand. Heal the land. Spirit of the sun, forever rise. Truth reflecting me eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay. Light show the way. Me rest me mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till my breath, my final tone. Me know me never alone. Spirit of the sun, live on.
Na 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 ganja and reggae, yeah man. Go on. Me rise with the morning breeze, cool wind through the trees. Me heart clean, me spirit high. Light of the sun paint up the sky. Jah voice echo through me chest. Guide me soul to do the best. Them build walls and claim the crown, but righteousness can't drown. Me walk barefoot on holy ground, hear the ancient sound. Each drum beat tell me tale, true struggle me prevail. Light from Zion, strong and wide, keep the darkness from inside. Me see mothers cry for bread, children sleep without no bed. Still the roots remain unshaken, spirit never forsaken. No matter the trial me face, me move in Jah grace. Every storm bring clearer view, love still shine through. Yeah, roots of the sun grow deep in a we. Light for the blind, truth for the free. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day. Bring the day. Me chant for the youth them lost, guide them cross. Me sing for the sister who cry, wipe her eye. Every melody heal the land by Jah hand. The roots still strong beneath the sand, righteous stand. Me no seek vanity or fame, me chant Jah name. True thunder, true storm, me keep heart warm. When Babylon crumble down, Jah wear the crown. Roots of the sun still blaze, forever in praise. Me no fear the fire, me no fear the night. Me walk in Jah light. Every shadow fade away when love holds sway. Truth is a river, pure and free. Flow through you, flow through me. Yeah. Roots of the sun grow deep in a we. Light for the blind, truth for the free. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day.
Na na na. Kaya cushion at the paper. Nightfall, we hold the fire still. Follow Jah will. In a darkness, me guard the light. Truth shine bright. Me watch the stars, me hear Jah voice. Me heart rejoice. Keeper of the flame, me be eternally free. Me see the world, forget the love, forget the gift. From above, them chase power, chase goal. Them spirit cold, but me hold the torch high. Me not deny. Me got the spark in me chest. Jah manifest. Me see them up the righteous way, but still me pray. Me carry fire through the storm. Jah keep me warm. No shadow deep enough fi hide. Truth inside. Me light me chalice, chant me psalm. Heart calm. Keeper of the flame burn bright, shine through endless night. Light up the heart of man, part of Jah plan. Keeper of the flame so pure, faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Me walk through the desert bare, still Jah there. Me see the moon reflect the truth, guide the youth. Them call me fool, them call me mad, but me still glad. Call me know Jah never sleep, promise keep. Me see the wicked tremble slow, them power go. Me flame expose the wrong them do. Light shine through, me guard the spark for every soul. Make them whole, me live for truth, me die for same. Keeper of the flame, no wind can blow the light away. It dead to stay, just spirit fuel the fire strong. Burn around, me hold the lamp in every fight. Bring the light, keeper of the flame burn bright, shine through endless night. Keeper of the flame burn bright, shine through endless night. Light up the heart of man, part of Jah plan. Keeper of the flame so pure, faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside till the tide. Keeper of the flame of truth, forever rise. Light up the sky. Jah fire never tame. One eternal flame. When me gone, no fire remain. True joy and pain. Keeper of the flame me be for eternity. Before the morning sun, another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face, Jah guide me na this place. From the ashes of oppression grow, a strength that Babylon I know. Lion spirit waking at the heart, freedom heart. Me see the people stand again after centuries of pain. The fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak, give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry, echo through the sky. Me trod the road, them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Oh, fly on the wings of the lion, strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way.
Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta Loader. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption Lord. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. What Jah melody? Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jah hand, just in a Jah hand. No chin can bind a righteous man, no force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light, Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm, spirit transform. Me walk with courage, faith and song, for the journey long. Fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high, freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest me soul upon higher ground, peace and truth.